Hello, how are you going today, everyone? Today I'm going to talk about how to participate and how to best prepare for an IFO on pancakeSwap. First of all, an IFO stands for Initial Farm Offering. It's a way to buy brand new tokens available on pancakeSwap. When you go to pancakeSwap, just scroll down the menu and click on IFO, then Past IFOs. You'll see the tokens that have come out in the past. The most recent one, Yield Watch, just took place yesterday, and I'd like to share what I learned through my experience. First of all, before you even do an IFO, you should do due diligence on the token you may wish to purchase. Then, after that, if you're satisfied and you're interested in purchasing it at the guaranteed allocated price in the IFO, then here are some simple steps and best practices that I've learned through experience. But before I start, it's important to point out that these IFOs are extremely popular and almost always oversubscribed. But pancakeSwap use the Overflow sale method, which you can read about more here. But basically, it means the more you put in, the more you'll get, and you'll get refunded anything that doesn't get spent. Okay, so step 1. In order to pay for the new tokens on an IFO, you need to pay in LP tokens. LP stands for Liquidity Provider Tokens. All right, and you'll be paying with Cake BNB tokens, half 50-50. All right, so to get these LP tokens, go to Trade, Liquidity, and add equal amounts of Cake and BNB tokens. Then click on Add Liquidity. Confirm on your MetaMask. After that has gone through, you should see your share of the pool appear below. Step 2. Scroll down to IFO. You'll see a countdown timer telling you when it's ready to start. Don't stress though, because you have a whole hour to get your transaction done. Click on the bottom where it says Details, and it will provide more info about the IFO. Example, the number of tokens, how much money they will raise, and the total raised percentage of target. The total raised percentage will be updated live during the 1 hour raise, and it's really important number to keep an eye on. So for example, if I'd like to get a decent share of a token, then I'd put in a large amount of Cake BNB LP tokens. I'd expect not to have to use all of these LP tokens anyway, as the IFOs are almost always oversubscribed. But it's prudent to make more than one deposit of LP tokens. Then keep an eye on the total raise percentage. If you notice this is going through the roof, you can confidently add more LP tokens. As you can see, yesterday's IFO raise was $800,000, but the total raise was actually 71,000% over that amount. So that's 71 times 800,000. and you'll only get your slice of that depending on the amount of LPs you added. I hope that makes sense. Shortly after the 1 hour raise, you'll see a claim button appear. Claim your tokens and any unspent funds. Totally recommend Pancake IFOs. Really smooth experience. This was only my second IFO experience on pancakeSwap, and I have to say, in my opinion, it's way better than IDOs on other launch pads where members have gas wars. So how about you? Have you tried pancakeSwap's IFOs out? How about other places like BakerySwap or DuckDAO, etc.? Please let us know your experiences in the comments below. I hope you could enjoy today's video, and if so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay then, signing out for today. Thanks, and see you again soon. Bye.